Hey guys, Bill Soriano here, and we're doing, like posted a video yesterday about the 100 trade challenge that our community is doing. So I wanted to make just a quick video today showing you how we use our company's impulse scanner and our community's proprietary ATH RSI crossover indicator to determine when there's a potential opportunity in the market. Now, again, these are not signals. We're not giving you trading signals. We're not telling you when to take trades. We're just telling you when the opportunity exists, and then you make the decision whether or not to take the trade if our entry model does present itself. So real quick, I want to make this video just showing you this is our impulse scanner here. And the thing you want to pay most attention to is this macro trend panel over here under the alert panel. And you can see here that all of these arrows on all time frames are blue, meaning that every time frame right now for GBP JPY is bullish. Now, with this strategy, the basic rules are going to be we're going to take the trades on the 5-minute chart when we do take trades. Again, it's not a signal service, but when the opportunity presents itself and there's a potential opportunity in the market, you'll take that opportunity on the 5-minute chart. So we require that the 5-minute through the 4-hour are all going the same way. Now you can make it more strict. I like to have all time frames going the same way. Okay, so when you come to this panel before you're going to start your trading, whether it's right before the US session, right before the Asian session, or right before the London session, you have to decide how you're going to do that. Are you going to look for all of them to match up or just the 5-minute through the 4-hour? Okay. And then again, depending on how many pairs you get, you can also make that decision as well. Let's say you look for all of them to match up, you only get 2 or 3 pairs. Then you might say, well, let me see if there's a couple more pairs I could possibly look at where maybe the 5-minute through the 4-hour matchup and maybe the 1-minute and the daily are off. Okay. But that's what you're going to do. And then once you get a pair like this, you're going to highlight them on here. That's going to bring them to the top of the chart. And then you're going to go over to trading view. Okay. And you can see here that I already have the alert, the indicator on. The indicator is called the ATH Enhanced RSI Crossover Arrows Indicator. Again, you have to be a customer of our company to get access to the impulse scanner and a customer of our community and company to get access to our proprietary indicator. Okay. Now, we're looking, this is bullish, right? So if this is bullish, we're only looking to take buys or long positions. We're not interested in any selling positions, okay? So I have the indicator set to show both signals, the bullish and the bearish ones, but we just ignore these bearish signals because we're just looking to buy this, okay? Now we're on the 5-minute chart here, and I just want to show you what these potential opportunities would look like here. So let's go back here. So right here, you see the arrow under this candle right here telling us there's a potential opportunity because we have the RSI crossover occur right there. When that indicator comes out, that means for a buy that the RSI, this indicator down here on our impulse scanner, that means it dipped below the red zone, right, which is below the 20, and then it came back to the 50, to the middle of this graph here, right? So that's what you're looking for a buy. Okay, for a sell, you want the opposite. You want the RSI to come above the blue and then come back down to the 50 and cross the 50 on its way down. That's the signal that there's a potential opportunity. It's not a buy or sell signal. It's not a trade alert. It's just showing you there's a potential opportunity in the market. And so you don't have to worry about that. All you do, you'll come over here and you'll set the alert for this. And once the alert goes off, you'll only set this alert on the pairs that meet your criteria on the impulse scanner. Once the alert goes off, then you know to come to the chart. If no alerts go off, you don't have to worry about it. You just go about your business during the day. Now, once you do get this alert, now you're looking for a flat top or a flat bottom. So what a flat top is a blue arrow or a bullish arrow, right? Followed by a red arrow or a bearish arrow. And usually these tops align here, but you can see here it just doesn't align right there. But that is where your flat top would be at. So what you're waiting for now is you have a potential opportunity in the market, but instead of just taking this trade, because you see, if you just take the trade because you get the indicator come out, if you set your stop loss down here, look what happens. Price comes down, stops you out for a loss. But if you wait for this structure here to be broken, if you wait for a close above this flat top or flat bottom, then you have a better opportunity in the market to take a trade. You have a better chance of winning that trade if you take it. Now, the other thing is this should occur within 3 or 5 candles, okay? You don't want it to take as long as it takes here. But anyway, what happens here is you get another indication, another indicator, and so now you have a new flat top, which is up here, okay? And again, price does not come up there. If you would just get in this trade because the indicator goes off, price comes down and you would lose that trade, okay? Same thing happens here now. You get another indication. So now your flat top moves down to here. So a flat top, again, is the blue. We have videos on this, so I'm just really quickly showing you. You'll get access to the videos once you join. But for a buy, it's a flat top is a blue candle followed by a red candle, right? And then you're using where the candle top is there. That's the flat top. Now, flat bottom is just the opposite. It's a red candle followed by a blue candle, and you use the bottom of the candle body for the flat bottom, okay? That would be, in this example here, that would be down here, okay? Okay, but since you don't get a break of structure there where that flat top, the flat top is, you don't take the trade. Now, here's another one right here, okay? And so what happens is on this one, here's your new flat top, flat bottom. And then right here, this candle kind of closes above that. Okay, you can see how it kind of just closes above it. And that would give you a potential entry now with this indicator painting right here. Okay. So that would be an entry. Your stop loss would go down here, not your stop loss. I'm sorry, your invalidation level. I said stop loss. I shouldn't have said that, but your invalidation level for this particular trade would probably go down here, and you can see that that doesn't get hit. And then again, if your invalidation level is set 20 pips away, then your goal is going to be to get 20 pips positive on the trade, right? So that would be somewhere up here, and you could see that you easily get that. Okay, now we get another RSI indicator signal right here, right? That gives us this flat top right here, right? And you can see here, several candles later, this candle right here closes above there. And again, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 candles, okay? 9 candles after that. Now, for the 100 trade challenge, you're going to take mostly all the potential opportunities you can. And then you're going to go back and you're going to see, you're going to look at your trading journal and you're going to say, okay, I noticed whenever I took a trade that came more than 10 candles away from the indicator coming out, that I usually lost those trades. So you're going to know not to take those trades then, right? But I think this one here is safe to take because as you could see here, price is right around where the flat top is at, okay? So you're not getting a potential entry all the way up here with the invalidation level all the way down here. So it's pretty good there, okay? So basically the rules with the indicator are first you go to impulse, you look to see which pairs are all trending the same way on all time frames, or you can make the decision, just use the 5-minute through the 4-hour, right? You go through, it takes you less than 2 minutes to go through here. You highlight those pairs here, right? So you can see right now we have 3. We got 4 here. We probably have some more. But you highlight those pairs. You go over to Trading View, and we'll show you how to set the alert for the indicator to come out. Once that indicator comes out, you'll get the alert to your email or to your phone. You'll come back to the chart, and then you'll set another alert for the break of structure of your flat top and flat bottom. Once that happens, now you have everything in place, and everything's there giving you a potential opportunity in the market, and you decide whether or not to take the trade. Again, you're taking these trades on a demo account, and we show you how to set that demo account in that video I showed you earlier. Roughly takes 3 to 4 or 5 minutes to get that demo account set up. Okay, so this is how you're going to use this. And once you join, right? If you need the link to join, let me know, because you can get started with us on Monday with this 100 trade challenge, and you can have a whole week to try this out. And if you think it's not going to work for you, you're not winning, you're not getting winning trades or winning opportunities, then you can cancel and get your money back from the company as long as you're within that 7-day window. But I'm telling you guys, everybody loves this strategy in our community. You're gonna see a lot of good trade opportunities using this strategy, using the impulse scanner, using our company's proprietary indicator, and then using the flat top, flat bottom break of structure entry model. So you're going to find a lot of good opportunities on the 5-minute chart like this, and you're going to want to keep going with us. So you'll get more information once you sign up. You'll get access to obviously the impulse scanner, the indicator, our Discord channel, and all the videos showing you how to get your demo account set up if you don't have one already, and how to get rolling with this strategy. So get with me if you're ready to take this 100 trade challenge, and I'll send you the link to get started, and also a couple other videos to get you going along the way.